Hey guys, it's Adam with GSA Equipment. Today we're going to show you a little bit of some updated products that we've gotten. This is our first introduction to the RO6. It's a little more than a half-ton mini excavator. This is great for digging little trenches and doing stuff around your yard. It's got the little Kubota diesel in it. It fits in really tight places. And I think if you're looking for something that you just need to dig some trenches or whatever, this machine digs up to about 3.5, 4 feet, and it would be a great option for you. It's priced pretty competitively. So this is a new addition that we just got in, and I wanted to show you that. I also wanted to show you this new RSO4. So we've been selling the RSO4 for a long time, but this is the brand new refreshed model. It looks much nicer, much more finished. The grips have a nice rubber on them. They're fully enclosed, so they're not gonna get all rusted. These kind of rubber caps for your controls are a lot more refined. We noticed that the diesel, this has the same diesel engine as the other one it does in it, but the first version bogged down. Anytime you turn it, anytime you try to do anything, it would just bog down. This new model, I haven't gotten it to bog down once, so I don't know if they fine-tuned some stuff on the engine, reworked it a little bit, but the performance from what we've initially seen seems to be extremely improved from the first generation. This has been the biggest problem on these things, is that they had 3/8 inch couplers. Now they have 1/2 inch, which is going to be your universal standard couplers. So you can get the universal attachments for it. That's a nice upgrade that they did. Yeah, so we wanted to show you the refreshed version of this guy. And then I also want to show you, this is the other feature. This has float. The first generation did not have float. So you can switch that button forward and put it in float, and the bucket will float to the contour of the ground. So if you're plowing or if you're doing any type of maybe some grading or whatever, this is a nice feature that the other models did not have. Let's go back here and look at the new R22 Open Cab edition. All right guys, we're also going to introduce you to the new R22. It's Rippa's 2.2 ton excavator. We've always sold them, but this is the new Open Cab station. We've had a lot of requests from customers with the Open Cab station so you don't feel so tight. This particular model also comes with a new Rippa seat, and it also is suspension. So we're going to show you the seat, and it's also a little cheaper than the cab version. So let's check out the seat. So you can see it has the suspension in it. It's going to give you a little bit give. It's got the nice Rippa branding, and then the seat reclines a little bit more than the one in the enclosed cab because obviously there's more room. So overall, maybe if you're a bigger guy, this machine might fit your needs a little better. So yeah, just wanted to show you those 3 new Rippas that we got in and see if maybe one of those is one that you want to buy and use for your property or your business.